Welcome to the introduction video to the knee mill. Remember to always wear safety glasses, tie back long hair, no gloves, no loose clothing, no rings, no watches, no bracelets. We'll start today by showing you the table. This is where we tie and fasten all of our work and material to. These handles are what control the X and the Y axis. They move the table. They have a scale on them that's graduated to 1/1000th of an inch. So every time you move them one line, you've moved the table 1/1000th of an inch. The knee can be moved up and down by turning this handle. It also has a scale that's graduated to 1/1000th of an inch. The quill stop is used to stop the quill from being pulled out. We always mill up against the quill stop. It has a regular nut and a lock nut underneath it, so remember to have those two together anytime you're doing any milling. The quill lock is also to be used to keep the quill from moving down. The quill is spring-loaded, and as you can see, every time he releases it, the quill will start to go up. So always lock it down in place anytime you're using it. This machine is able to run in forward and reverse, so there's two different positions that you can put it in. Depending on if you're in front or back gear, that will dictate which number you need to go to, 1 or 2. If you're in front gear or forward gear, you need to turn the motor to position 1. If you're in back gear like seen now, you need to turn it into position 2. That way you turn the spindle clockwise. This machine's equipped with a ram that can be adjusted back and forth. This is going to allow you to extend the reach of your machine and allow you to work on larger parts. Remember to always tighten down the bolts and never to machine with this loose. Rotating the ram around 180 degrees will allow you to add accessories such as shaper attachments to the back of the machine. This machine is equipped with a step pulley system. This is what you use to change the speeds of the machine. So you always want to loosen the motor, change your belt, and then tighten the motor back up. Remember to do this with the machine off. Other machines require you to change the speed with the machine on. We'll show you how to do that in class. Loosening these 4 bolts will allow you to spin the head about the Y-axis. This is also known as the B-axis. These 3 bolts will allow you to rotate the head about the X-axis. This is known as the A-axis. This is what makes this machine universal. This was a very basic overview of the operation of this machine. We'll do a more thorough demonstration in class. If you have any questions, please ask, and please feel free to watch this video as many times as you feel you need to.